Hi there, I bought these overnight oats containers and I am so excited about these. I'm going to tell you why I love these. It is a pack of 2 and it's got this silicone band across the top and it comes with this spoon and it will just slide in just like that. Also, it has the graduated markings on it for ounces and mLs. It's 10 ounces liquid total, but it's also got one for, hopefully you can see that, it says milk. This is where it gets really cool. You can make your overnight oats without having to use any extra measuring tools. So you can fill it up to the milk line with your milk, and then here's the lid. It also comes with the extra seal that goes on the inside to seal it really good. But this lid will hold a half a cup of oats, of dry oats. So then you can use this to measure, pour it in there, mix it all together, and then add, whatever else you like to it. Fruit or nuts, whatever you like in your overnight oats. Now, I am going to actually make chia pudding, and I'm going to show you how I do it. What I do is I use 1 cup of milk. This is just my recipe that I like. 1 cup of milk, and then I'm going to do 2 tablespoons of chia seeds. Another thing that I'll add sometimes is like sugar-free Jello pudding powder. That's kind of a fun thing to add to give it a little extra flavor. Then I'm going to add strawberries, a bunch of them. And I'm going to add blueberries. Love fresh blueberries. And then I am going to take my lid, put it on here, and shake it. Now, one thing I want to show you, I like the size of this because it fits in my lunch bag. But also, if you're eating this like at work, the spoon will fit inside the container when you're all done, so you don't have a dirty spoon hanging out in your lunch bag. So look at that. That's all I do for my chia pudding that I put fruit in, and I'm gonna put it in the fridge. I'm gonna take it to work tomorrow. Super, super easy. I really like these, and I like that they're glass too. I like that they're glass. I like the sealing lid. I like the spoon. I like everything about it. Thanks.